Hello there, Taurus. Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. And I am here today to talk to you guys about what's going on in your love life from the first of the month to the second week of November. So this is going to be good until November 15th, this guidance. So for a lot of you, this could be playing out right now, or it could be playing out before the end of the time frame, okay? So if you guys feel like you like or resonate with this message today, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Feel free to drop a comment down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Also, if you are interested in getting any kind of personal guidance from myself, go ahead and hit the title of this and you will see down below the link to the shop. There is a fall sale going on right now if you want to take advantage of that. All right, so Taurus, we're gonna just jump right on in, and we're gonna be talking about you and a specific love interest, whoever you're interested in, whoever you like, whoever you have a crush on, whoever you guys are trying to date. This will be for you guys. Now, what's up with you guys in this connection during this time frame? I feel like a lot of you guys are feeling pretty relaxed with where the connection is going right now. You could also be a little emotional, but in a good way about the connection. Maybe this connection sparks up a lot of emotions within you. Maybe there's a lot of hidden or repressed emotions that's been coming out or that will be coming out by the end of this time frame. Maybe this is like a person who makes you feel so many different emotions at once, okay? Or can raise so many different emotions within you just by doing the simplest things. So you have your heart turned toward love at this time. You are focused on who you love. You are in tune with that. So right now, you're savoring these moments that you have with this person who you really do care about. These times where you feel them loving you. I feel like you guys are seeing, feeling, or knowing that someone does love you, and this feeling for you is something you want to hold on to forever. I feel like you guys don't want to let this moment go between you and someone who you really do care about. So right now, I think that this is pushing you into this energy where you wanna try to escape your past some kind of way. Something about this connection makes you want to run away from your past. It makes you want to get away from all the things that you had experienced in the past, right? Get away from the way that you saw yourself in the past. All of your past mistakes, any false promises that you made to others or yourself. I feel like you feel kind of regretful about a lot of things. So you're wanting to leave these things behind. Even people. There's a lot of people who have cleared out of your life up until this point, Taurus. And I feel like a lot of you guys realize that you never needed those people. There is a new vibe that you have now that you have a particular kind of love in your life. A lot of things from the past are gone right now, okay? And it just really is because you don't see these things or these people fitting in this box anymore with you. All right, you feel like, that's just not where you want to be. That's just not what you want to do. So you could be cutting off a lot of people, okay, during this time. You are removing, I feel like a lot of you guys are just removing yourselves from everything and anything that doesn't have your name on it. And what I mean by that is what you're not called to do or not called to be a part of, you're not doing it. You are taking yourself away from people of your past, like people who just, some exes, they gotta go, right? That's not what you're on. That's not who you're thinking about. That's not what you're involved in anymore. Some people you used to hang out with or people you used to know, you're so far away from these people now. You don't feel the same way about these groups of people or these specific communities, right? You're just like, I'm not resonating with y'all. I'm not feeling this. I don't like this. So I'm taking a stand or I'm going to put my foot down and say enough is enough. Like, it is what it is, so it's that. You guys are doing that for some of you. For others of you, this can be about letting lovers go, like letting people go that you just don't want to deal with anymore. It could be someone that you have been trying to get away from. Maybe someone that, someone that's been in your life for some time. Maybe you've been in a relationship or a marriage with someone for some time, for some of you, and you're just like, you know what, this is just, I'm tired of faking this, like, it doesn't sit well with me. Like, my heart is not here, it's there, like something like that could be going on. But you guys are just cutting things off, cutting things that you don't need. You're focused on improvement right now. You really do truly, like, genuinely want to better your life. So I feel like overall your love life is the highlight right now. Whatever is going on with your heart space, that's the highlight. That's the thing that's taking up your focus. Whoever it is that you're connected to, they've been in a real-time happy feeling. A real-time happy feeling. And what I mean by that is, this is someone who's not just happy about where you guys have been, but they're happy about where you guys are right now. They're very, like, whatever emotions and feelings they have, you're experiencing it with them. Even if you're at a distance from them or whatever, you're still experiencing their happiness with them right now. I feel like this person's energy is explosive toward you. Very, very, very bright energy. This person feels a rush when they are in your energy. It's a whole different type of vibe for this person. I feel like this is someone who may feel like they're stuck in a certain time zone with you, or maybe you are nostalgic to them. Maybe this is like a person who has connections to your past life, Taurus. But whoever they are, they feel nostalgic about you when they see you. Their mind kind of goes backwards, but this is all good. I feel like this is helping this person bring a new vibe, a new feel to the connection. So their energy is pretty relaxed. They're cool, even-tempered. They've been feeling romantic and flirty toward you. They're crushing on you a lot. They think you're very attractive right now. They love the way you look. It's something about... For them, it's something about your lips. That's what I'm picking up for some of you. It's something about your posture as well, your body composition. They admire that too for some of you. But this person does have a good temperament right now. Their emotions are pretty controlled. Their thoughts about you seem to be focused on the present moment. So what that means is they're not thinking about the past, and they're not thinking about the future. They're not stressing what's going to happen. They're not stressing what has happened. They just like what they see in you right now. They like this way, okay? Now, how you see this person right now, for some of you, you feel like this is someone who deserves a lot. That's how you look at them. You feel like this person deserves the world. They deserve so much. Whoever they are and whatever they mean to you means a lot to you. You feel like they should have everything that they ever dreamed, everything that they ever wanted, everything that their heart desires. You feel like they should have that. You see this person as a really good person. Someone who should have plenty and will have plenty. Someone who will be prosperous in life. The numbers 8, 23, 5, 36, or 9 could be significant for some of you, for you or for them. But this person's soul should be satisfied in your eyes, because you see them as a unique person who should only do all the things that makes them feel good. Some of you are very, very, very protective of this person as well. You're protective of them. You guard them in all of their ways. You are some type of supporter to them. You support them. You support them from head to toe. It doesn't matter what this person lacks, and it doesn't matter what this person went through. It doesn't matter what this person, almost kind of like it doesn't matter what they do either. Like, it doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to you. It doesn't matter to you. So that must be something you really feel in your heart, because when I start repeating things, I'm repeating it because it has a profound effect. So something about this person, it doesn't matter to you about certain things, because when it comes to this specific person, you're all accepting. And I don't think some of you have ever felt this way before about a person. You accept everything. And you want the best. This is someone who you really do want the best for. And you are genuine about this. And I feel like a lot of you feel like this about this person because you know that they have the ability, the talents, the skills, the power within themselves to be an inspiration to so many people. For some of you, this is someone who's in the spotlight. They shine. They glisten when they're in the spotlight. This person's like a rare gem when they're in the spotlight. Whoever they are, when they get attention, they get everybody's attention. When they walk into a room, everybody looks. When people talk, everybody talks, right, about this specific person. This is someone who's in the spotlight, who is a public figure. Could be a public figure, or could be someone, could be a community leader, could be someone who is like the head or CEO of something. This is like a boss, a big boss type of energy. And you feel like they can light the way for other people. So it's something about a city, a community, like it's a lot of people who look up to this person. It's a lot of people who see them as a leader, as their role model. It's a lot of people. And I think that you also want this person to know that this is the role they play. That there is a special calling on this person's life. And it's a calling that you applaud, that you support, that you embrace them for. And so you want them to be a beacon of light. Just keep shining. That is what you want. You encourage that for this person. So you're very supportive toward your love interest. The way your love interest sees you, the numbers 27, 9, 15, 6, 13, or 4 could be significant to them or to you. But through their eyes, they see you as someone who is ascending right now. Like you're leveling up. You're leveling up. You're changing right in front of them. You're changing. You're starting to remember your divine origins. And you're finding creative solutions to your problems now. You're not really doing things the way you used to do them. If you and them have issues like with communication, or with maybe you guys trigger each other, because I'm seeing here that for a lot of you, this is your twin soul. And if you guys have triggered each other in the past, or you had bad communication or communication issues, they see you learning how to find the right ways to do it so that you don't do this to each other anymore. They feel like you know now what not to do this to make them feel like this. And they feel like they feel the same way. And I think that you two have come to a point where you both realize that when you do this to each other, and sometimes it doesn't happen on purpose, sometimes you guys do this without knowing, but when this happens, this allows other people an opportunity to take advantage of your connection. So there is something about them seeing you merging with the positive divine light. You're igniting your special, specific codes to your truth of who you are at this time. You are waking up. It's like you're having a birthday, because they see that you're wanting to be happy. See, like, it's something about, like, in the past, maybe in the past you weren't so accepting or open to this part of the journey with this person where you actually did the inner work yourself. But something has shifted with this connection where I feel like you realize that you had to do the work. You have to do the work. So they know that you are seeking to be your highest form of yourself, that you're seeking to be greater than you've ever been. Not just for them, but for you. You want to come out of depression. You want to come out of negative self-talk. You want to come out of failure. You want to come out of embarrassment, shame, pity, regret. You want to come out of your past. And you're doing that right now. Right now. You know that everything you've gone through within this connection and experience has allowed you to view things from a higher perspective. So you're finally reaching your personal goal of walking a spiritual path in this lifetime. And that's something that deep down inside you've always wanted to do. And you're doing it. That's all I have. God bless.